Welcome to this tutorial, and this is part of our Photoshop for Beginners series, and in this one I'm going to show you how to create some shapes, specifically the heart shape. So let's go ahead and get started. So you can see here I've got a heart shape here. I'm going to show you a quick way to create a heart. Let's start off with the elliptical marquee tool. It can be found underneath the rectangular marquee tool in the toolbar there. So go ahead and select it and click and drag down just to make an elliptical selection. If you're unfamiliar with the elliptical marquee tool, we do have a tutorial that'll teach you how to use it. Now that I have this selected, I'm going to go ahead and create a new layer, and I use the new layer shortcut, the icon there. And if you need some more instructions about how to use layers, be sure to check out our layers tutorial. Now with this selection on a blank layer, I've got a foreground color selected. I'm going to click Edit and Fill. So use the foreground color and just click OK. And now I've got this selected here. So I need to rotate my ellipse here, so I'm going to do Select, Deselect, so right up here at the top, and I need to transform it. So that's going to be found under Edit and Transform. If you're unfamiliar with the Transform tool, be sure to check out our Transform tool tutorial as well. Go ahead and click Enter to commit that change, and now I've got basically this ellipse that's slightly rotated. You need to duplicate this. So the keyboard shortcut with the Move tool for duplication is holding down the Alt. You'll notice your icon will change a little bit, and you can click and drag, and that makes a duplicate copy of our ellipse there. I want to go ahead and flip this horizontally, so I'm going to go to Edit and Transform and select Flip Horizontal. Menu bar, Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal. And that just flips it and creates a mirror image of it. Using the Move tool, I'm going to click and drag until the two ellipses overlap. And once they overlap there, you will have your heart shape. Now every heart shape is a little bit different, and it'll depend on how much you actually rotate your initial ellipse there. So we've got a nice little heart shape there. Let me just go ahead and show you. If you rotate this a little bit more and Move tool, click and drag, Edit and Transform and Flip Horizontal, you'll notice that you can get a little bit different shape heart by the amount of rotation that you do on it. So I'm going to throw away that first try there, throw that out, take this layer here, and I want to merge it down. If you use your options here, you'll notice that merge down is Control E, and all that is explained in our layers tutorial. And there you go. There you've got a simple heart shape that is on a transparent layer that now you can manipulate and do whatever you like with. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check out all of our tutorials at 5minutetutorials.com. Also be sure to subscribe below. And thanks for watching.